there, welcome to Wanted RC Scale Tales, the last trail video of 2023. I'm in Fordell Woods and you can just see behind me the entrance to a tunnel which was a railway that was actually built in the 1770, and the railway ran until 1946. It's 7 miles and it picked up coal at the port of St David's Harbour on the River Forth up to the village of Crossgates, so roughly about 7 miles. So believe it or not, that is actually a railway behind me. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore Fordell Woods with my FTX Outback tracker, and yeah, we'll touch base later on. Cheers. Well, I certainly enjoyed that. Here again, once again at Fordell Woods. The FTX Outback tracker did exceptionally well once again. Explored a lot of new paths, new trails. Very muddy, very slippery on foot. But hopefully got some nice footage that you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like. Please comment, let me know what you think about the trail, the truck, good or bad. I will reply. If you haven't done so already, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel. And for future videos, hit that notification bell. Anyway, keep on crawling, keep on trailing, and we'll see you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. All the best now. Bye bye.